Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: finite goods or services used to compute GDP refer to the sum of all wages paid to laborers, the factors of production used to produce output goods and services purchased by the ultimate users, the value of outstanding shares of stock of manufacturing firms. And the answer of the question is: finite goods or services used to compute GDP refer to goods and services purchased by the ultimate users. This means GDP is calculated based on the value of final goods and services bought by consumers, businesses, and the government, excluding intermediate goods to avoid double counting. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.